Let me tell you a story. So there's this super mean witch named Morena. She had a major grudge against the Hulk, and honestly, her reasons were pretty messed up. You see, a while back, the Hulk accidentally messed up one of her evil plans. It was a total fluke, but it seriously ticked Morena off. After that embarrassing incident, Morena couldn't let it go. She became obsessed with getting back at the Hulk, and she was determined to make him suffer. So, she went on this crazy quest to learn dark magic and find a curse that would really mess with him. The next morning, Bruce Banner woke up feeling totally weird. He had this crazy anger pumping through his veins that he couldn't control, but it wasn't just anger, it was something way worse. Little did Bruce know, Morena's curse had taken hold of him. Inside the Hulk's massive body, these tiny worms started squirming, slithering all over the place. They wriggled through his veins, burrowed into his muscles, and basically took over his whole body. The Hulk's strength was nothing compared to the torment he was going through. As the days passed, those creepy worms multiplied like crazy and made things even worse. Poor Bruce, trapped inside the Hulk, felt the pain of those worms invading every inch of his body. He screamed, but nobody could hear his cries for help. Those worms messed with the Hulk's mind, too, filling it with evil thoughts and making him go totally berserk. The Hulk, who used to save the day, became a nightmare to everyone. As the Hulk rampaged through cities, leaving chaos and fear in his wake, people were terrified beyond imagination. Buildings crumbled, and streets were reduced to rubble. But just when it seemed like all hope was lost, Dr. Strange, the Sorcerer Supreme, appeared on the scene. With his magical prowess, Dr. Strange managed to contain the Hulk's uncontrollable raid. He tapped into ancient spells and channeled mystical energy to cure the cursed hero. The Hulk's transformation was astonishing. His raging fury subsided, and he regained control of his immense power. Now free from the curse, the Hulk's mind cleared, and he realized the source of his torment. Morena, the wicked witch who had unleashed the worms upon him. Determined to put an end to her evil reign, the Hulk set off on a relentless pursuit. Tracking down Morena wasn't easy. She had gone into hiding, lurking in the shadows, knowing the Hulk would come for her. But the Hulk's determination matched his incredible strength, and he left no stone unturned in his search. Finally, after a grueling journey, the Hulk found Morana in her secluded lair. The witch, sensing his arrival, prepared to defend herself with all the dark magic at her disposal. But the Hulk, fueled by his righteous anger, charged forward, smashing through obstacles with ease. The battle between the Hulk and Morana was cataclysmic. The witch summoned her most powerful spells, unleashing dark forces upon the Hulk. But he fought back with an unstoppable force, his fists colliding with the witch's shields of magic. Each blow the Hulk landed shook the very foundations of Morana's hideout. The witch, realizing her impending defeat, resorted to desperate measures. She summoned hordes of grotesque creatures to aid her in the battle, hoping to overwhelm the Hulk with sheer numbers. But the Hulk's determination was unbreakable. He fought through wave after wave of creatures, using his incredible strength to smash them to pieces. The tide of battle turned in the Hulk's favor, and his path to victory became clear. With a final, earth-shattering blow, the Hulk struck Morana with a force that shook the entire lair. The witch's dark magic dissipated, and she crumbled to the ground, defeated at last. The Hulk stood triumphant, his rage transformed into a righteous resolve. He surveyed the wreckage around him, the remnants of Morana's evil. Those scars marred the cities he had once terrorized. The Hulk knew his redemption had begun. From that day forward, the Hulk dedicated himself to protecting the innocent and rebuilding the cities he had unwittingly destroyed. He became a symbol of hope and strength, using his incredible powers for the betterment of mankind. The tale of the Hulk's transformation from a mindless monster to a hero of redemption spread far and wide. People marveled at his journey and the strength he displayed, both physically and emotionally. And as the cities rebuilt, the memory of the Wicked Witch and her curse faded away, replaced by the legend of the Hulk's triumph over darkness. With the witch vanquished and his curse lifted, the Hulk became a beacon of hope, showing the world that even the darkest of souls could find redemption.